And now, your feature presentation.
Hi everyone, it's me, HollyGinger, and welcome to day 4 of the Epic Universe Countdown. And today, we will be trying a treat from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and that is a chocolate frog. To celebrate Harry Potter Ministry of Magic, one of the worlds you can visit on Epic Universe, Universal Orlando's brand new theme park coming soon. So let's open it up and try it. If you buy the chocolate frog, you can even get like a little card with character information on it. Right here, this is Bertie Bott. Hope I got his name right. But yeah, Bertie Bott from the Harry Potter movies. It reads, Bertie Bott. He invented Bertie Bott's every flavor beans quite by mistake. His original purpose was to create tasty sweets from food. After an accident during his experiment, he recognized the potential of flavors that range from delicious to disgusting, including marshmallows, tutti frutti, grass, soap, and earwax. Ew. I wouldn't be eating those. But that's interesting. Luckily, we're not eating that today. But look at this cute frog. Doesn't he look so cute? Yummy. That's a really good frog. It tastes like chocolate, you know, regular chocolate. Not bad. I really like it. 10 out of 10. Well friends, that is the end of day 4 of my Epic Universe Countdown. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please go like and subscribe to Pass On Entertainment for day 5. Alright everybody, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye! Love y'all! Have an epic day! Mwah!